This is good. 95% spent on the candle. See the pullback. Did you see that? Did you see the pullback? There's a signal threatening here. Threatening, stop, come up here. When it comes dark red, we know we've got a signal. 97% spent on the candle. It just looks like it's pulled back a bit. I don't think it's going to be a signal. Just keep an eye on it. If it is, we're taking a sell. No signal. No signal. I'm glad for that, to be quite honest, because this is the 200-day moving average. This can do anything. Once the price hits this area, the price can go through it or it can just bounce off it. So I don't really like to get signals around here unless they pass through. If that signal passes through this 200-day moving average, then I'll be happy. I'd rather get a signal passing through it and not near it, because it usually reverses on you and then that signal's a full signal. For example, look at this area here. Can you see what's happened here? You get a signal, it bounces off the 200-day moving average and then reverses on you. Takes your stop here, your stop's up there, takes it and goes about its business. In this area here is actually pulling back from the 200-day moving average. But there's been a massive, when I say a massive hive of bullish activity in the last 24 hours, it's been all bullish. So to get any sellers in the market at the moment, I don't know whether that's going to happen. But we take signals as they come. We take them as they come. 98% spent on the candle. 99. Is it a signal? Signal. It's a crappy one if you ask me, but we're going to take it anyway. If you ask me, that's a crappy signal. Right on the line, past the 200-day moving average. We're in a bullish market, completely bullish market. And it's been ranging. That's what this box is here. It's been ranging. So if we get the 14 points out of this market or whatever, what's that? 16 points. We're looking for this area down here. If we can get these 14 points from a 6-point stop loss, then that's great, because I'm not expecting it. I'm just going to put our last line of defense up here. Our actual stop losses around here. I'm expecting it to go down straight from here, but like I said, I'm not really banking on none of this. It just doesn't look right to me, but we take signals as they come. But it just looks garbage. Look at it. It's on the 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is holding it up. It's holding it up. So I don't know, but it has to go through here before we get any form of confidence in this trade. Any form of confidence, because it's a really bullish market. Really bullish. Looking at the hourly chart, you can see how bullish it's been. Look at this. Massive bullish activity. Huge bullish activity. So it's like, we know what's been happening. We know it's a bullish market. Now for it to actually turn into a seller's market, it's possible, but you can see how the balls have been in play. They've been running things for the last 24 hours. So for it to just turn into our favor, I don't know, but I'm just taking the signal. I just take the signal. That's all I can do. I'm just taking the signal. So let's look where these stops are. There's stops in this area here because they're anticipating for the price to go up. There's maybe stop here for people that think it's going to sell off. And here as well, there's sellers hoping for a sell-off. And each one of these candles here is a place for stops. Each one. So there's some money in this area. In these few areas which I've just said, there's money. So if there's money there, the price can gravitate to that area. That's the only consolation we've got. That there's probably money here. People are anticipating for the price to continue to go up. So they've put their stop losses in this area here. And they're anticipating for this lull to turn into a buyer's market and then go up. So that's the only consolation we've got. They might just want to take this lot before continuing their ascent. It's doing something for us. It's doing something which is good. 82% spent on the candle. I'm not expecting much from it. I'm not, but it's doing a good thing at the moment. I'm presuming it's going to take out these stops on the left. Just keep an eye on it. If we can get anywhere near this area here, or this low, it's the daily low. Oh, this is brilliant. This is good. This is good. 95% spent on the candle. See the pullback. Did you see that? Did you see the pullback? That's the nasty pullback which I was expecting, but I don't want to be caught out in a pullback, because it's just going to pull back and go straight back up, take our mental stop and leave us with nothing. So unless it goes back down right now, I'm uninterested, because I was expecting a pullback. I did say that, but it hasn't done its job as far as I'm concerned. It needs to take these boys out on the left. It's good. That's nice. I like that. It's a little bit more and we're out. It should give us another low today. But like I said, these guys on the left should start praying right now. They really should. They should start praying, because that's where they're going for. 28% spent on the candle. Is it going to push a little bit more before 29%? There's enough time, but I know it's going to pull back. I just know it's going to pull back, but will it give us a bit more on this candle before it pulls back? It's looking good. That's good. That's a good enough for me. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. I'm happy with that. That was a nice trade. That was a nice trade. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. We take the signals as they come, even if they look garbage. To be quite honest, that signal looked garbage, but it worked. That's the problem with signals. Some of them look really good and they're rubbish, or some of them look crap and they're good. So I take them all. Looking at the hourly chart, they still haven't taken these boys out yet. They haven't taken them out. They're going to take them out, but we don't really care now. We've got what we wanted. I think that was just over a 2-to-1 on that trade, if you like ratios. So that's good. We've done for today. There's nothing more to say. We've done for today, and it just shows that you have to just trust in your strategy. You trust your strategy and just take it as it is. Don't panic and just do what you've got to do today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Until next time.